What's up? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? This is Delta Metric Fabricators. It's another good morning. Manze, God ametu grant, and now ndo nimefungua job, but nimekaa kuzuka siku najua. Nikamwa nichape hii content. So guys, thank you for your support. Manze, tumeenda mbali manze. At least tuko fit, by the way. Sitasema penye tuko, but manze, nifikisheni 1000 subscribers tafadhali. And thank you for the support manze. Share the video, comment, and also like the video. So guys, kando na hiyo, we deal with fabrication of doors, windows, classic gates, new roll bodies. Yeah, na huwa tunaenda mobile. Manze, huwa tunasema service beyond your smile. So guys, if you want to smile with fabrication, just contact Delta Metrics na tufanyia job poa. You can contact our mobile number 0105 778 195, or you can call us through the other number 0704 447 687. Manze, huwa tunasema service beyond your smile. So guys, thank you manze. And if kama umewacha hadi mwisho, please pinya hiyo kama unataka kunisupport, pinya hiyo subscription button. Peke yake tu. Hiyo peke yake. So meet in the next video. By the way, kuna content more.